Welcome to Tomato Boy's YouTube channel, where we bring you coin making methods on the daily. Some are short and sweet, some are long and strong, but we are always up to date. Remember to subscribe, hit the like, and especially hit that noti bell so that you know first when the new coin methods hit. In this new series called Crazy Pack Openings with Tomato Boy, we do something that is against my grain. Being a no money spend player, I enjoy keeping my coins, but in this series we are going to open vast amounts of packs, and then we are going to nerd it out and analyze the results. I hope you enjoy. Let's get it. Alrighty, today we are going to dive in deep with the Legends Exchange packs. We are going to be doing the Legends Season Exchange right here, where it takes 5 players. I've been looking for the 82 and 83s. This took me a long time, guys. I did 1.3 million coins worth, 250 cards. It took me well over a day on the companion app just hunting these down. I bought cards under 5,500 coins. But you can see here, I just finished the packs. We have 50 to open. This should be a fun time. So here's the numbers, guys. Like I said, it took me over a day here just going on the companion app. I was looking for 82 and 83 legend cards under 5,500. I kept track of them. My average cost for this was 5,314 coins per card. So to make every pack was just over 26,500, so that'll be our break-even point. I did a total investment of 1.32 million coins. That's where we need to be. More than 1.32 million coins to break even. Alright, so I think it's more fun if you go into the auction house first and see which cards are winners and which cards are losers as you're pulling. So remember, we spent 26,500 coins in each pack. So I'm going to go into the Legends. I'm going to start sorting. I'm not going to look at the 85s and 86s. I know those are going to be losers. Let's start with the 87s. Take a scroll down here. All the way down. Let's see where these 87s are going for. And it looks like there's our first one at 16. And we're seeing a few there, 17, 18K. Yeah, definitely losers. Let's go check out the 88s and 89s. Looks like 88s are right around the 23, 24,000 mark. That's still a loser. Might have a few that win. 89s. Yeah, we could probably pull a 30 out of an 89. 29,999, I'm guessing. So that, we'll call that a break even after tax. So the 90s. Yep, that's a winner. 40K plus. 91s. Oh yeah, nice winners there. It's almost doubling our money if we pull any 91s. There's some nice 91s in there as well, where we can triple our money. And then 92s, of course, will be winners, but how much? Yeah, a few 92s in the 70 range. We see 93s as well, all around the 100K mark, so those are what we're looking for. Alright, so let's dive in and open these 50 packs. I'm going to play this at regular speed. I mean, I enjoy watching people open packs and seeing what's coming out of them. If you want to fast forward, go ahead. It takes about 5.5 minutes. I will shut up. Hope you enjoyed that $1.3 million worth of packs there, and let's go into the item binder just to take a look at everything we got for those that did not watch that. Look at EA slow load. Alright, scrolling down, we got some good 91s, 92s. I was actually pleasantly surprised at some of the pulls that came out of this. It was much better than I anticipated. Of course, there are a lot of duds in there, but that's what we ended up right there. So here's all the stats for us nerds. If you look on the left there, there's the pull frequency. It's almost a perfect bell curve there. Very heavily pulled in the 88s and 89s, and it kind of diminishes off on both ends from there. It tails off. On the right there, you see everything in the value of when I just checked the value of every one of these cards and what I would sell them for. And I think that would be a fair. I didn't go too high, I didn't go too low. I usually like to post them about the second or third lowest card available. So that's what I was looking at from the pulls that we had. So here is the results slide. Again, 5,300 coins per card, 26,500 coins per pack we made. Total investment of 1.328 million. The total sell price was 1.54 million. Post-tax, 10% for EA, is 1.387 million. I can't believe it, but we actually made a profit of 59,000 coins. That's a profit percent on our investment of 4.5. Not good, but in EA's world, anytime you're making money, that is amazing. So, could have been some good pulls, but we had quite a few pulls for 50 cards. I think the numbers showed what they do. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So, what does that mean? That means a couple things. If you're out there and you want to pull a pack every now and then, it's not a bad thing to do. It's fun. I just wouldn't pull a lot of them. You might get lucky pulling one or two every now and then. And then the other thing is if I did hold out and I sniped cards and I kept them under 5K, not 5,500, we would have had an additional 75,000 profit. So, a fun pack to do. I'd recommend doing one or two, maybe a week. That's kind of my limit. But all in all, profitable. I hope you enjoyed this first installment of crazy pack openings. If you did enjoy it, make a comment, let me know, hit me up on Twitter, and we'll make plenty more of these. I'll waste my coins so you don't have to, but I love running the stats too. These are the foundations that help us make coins in the future when we know the pull rates. Thanks, guys. Have a great night.